Here's a list of 30 simple English conversation questions and answers related to real-life situations. What is your name? My name is Kitty. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? Where are you from? I'm from India. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. What do you do? I am a student. I work as a teacher. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. How do you get to work, school? I take the bus. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your hobby? I like reading books. What are you doing right now? I am talking to you. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. Do you like to cook? No, I don't like to cook. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Jumanji. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball. What did you do yesterday? I went shopping. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you like your job, school? Yes, I like it very much. What do you usually eat for breakfast? A. I usually eat eggs and toast. And